So first of all, I took some nude colored polymer clay and kind of rolled it out into the size and shape of a thumb. Kind of looks like a toe here, but anyways, I kind of just looked at the reference photo on Google of the thumbs and kind of used also my thumb as a reference. I kind of have like fat thumbs, so anyways. So over here, I'm just kind of like pressing down on where the nail will be, and then I'm going to take this curved clay tool and start adding some creases and wrinkles to the area where your thumb would bend, so it kind of looks more realistic. So now I'm going to take my pointy tool and kind of draw out the shape of the nail, where the nail is going to be. I'm just pretty much drawing it at this point, making a reference from the photo again. Now I'm going to take a little piece of nude colored polymer clay and flatten it out, and I'm going to put that on the tip of where the fingernail would be, so it kind of looks more three-dimensional and realistic, and then I'm going to smooth it out with my fingers. Comment down below what your favorite scene of Spy Kids was. I remember growing up, I liked the scene where Carmen is chewing that like electroshock gumball or something, and she spits it out at one of the thumbs and it electrocutes him. Okay, that sounds kind of dark, but I thought that was a funny scene growing up. I was also really obsessed with Spy Kids 1, 2, and 3. Like, when I was a kid, someone said that I kind of looked like Carmen, so I got like super excited. I would try to dress up like one of the Spy Kids and play around at my house pretending to be a spy, but anyways. So now I'm taking another piece of polymer clay, nude color polymer clay, and forming it into what the thumb would be as for like part of the thumb arm. So I'm kind of bending it a little bit more than the previous thumb I made, and I'm also going to add some more creases to look like the thumb is bending. But pretty much the rest of the steps are the same. I'm going to add or draw on the nail and then add those wrinkles and creases to the center of the thumb. So now to make the thumb look a little bit more realistic, I'm going to be scraping off some chalk pastel into like a powder form And I'm going to be coloring certain parts of the thumb. So I'll be using some pinkish and light purple chalk pastels, and I'm just scraping it with my X-Acto knife. So I did that to all 5 thumbs. Yeah, they don't look perfectly identical and not the same size, but I did the best I could. Anyways, I'm gonna go pop these thumbs in the oven and bake them for around 20 minutes, and I'll get back to you guys. So now I'm gonna create the body and the outfit using foil and some more polymer clay to wrap around it. I probably should have done this earlier. I wasn't sure if I was gonna use toy stuffing and fabric to make the body, but I ended up going with the foil because I didn't have the other supplies, so I just did it this way. I rolled out some polymer clay as flat as I could, and now I'm just gonna place it over the foil and seal it up. So I placed the head thumb in already, but I'm using my ball pen or ballpoint tool right now to create little holes to where I'll put the rest of the thumbs, like the thumb arms and the thumb legs. I kind of wished I would have used like polymer clay glue or some kind of clay adhesive. I unfortunately don't have that. I'll have to buy some, but I'll try to keep these thumbs in there as well as I can. So I'm just taking some polymer clay, and these are going to be the arms of the thumbs, and then I'm going to attach the thumbs or the hand thumbs to the arms. So I went ahead and did that for the rest of the thumbs, and now I'm just gonna add texture and more dimension to the body by adding a little chest area to the thumbs. So here I'm taking my curved clay tool and I'm just going to add some creases and wrinkles to the body. So now I'm taking my pointed clay tool and I'm adding some texture to the onesie outfit that the Thumb wears, just to make it look more realistic and not, I guess, perfect. Now I'm taking some red acrylic paint and I'm going to paint on the outfit. I definitely recommend using some type of gesso or primer on as the base before painting the red onto the clay, but unfortunately I don't have any with me right now. Hopefully I'll get some for Christmas. So now I'm going to take some black acrylic paint and mix a little bit of that with the red to create like a darker red or like a maroon color, and then I'm just going to paint those into like the textured and crease parts of the outfit. Last but not least, I'm going to grab some satin glaze by Sculpting, and I'm just going to paint this glaze onto the fingernail parts to make it pop a little bit. Alright, here is my Spy Kids Thumb Thumb. This was definitely one of my most challenging clay projects I've ever done, but anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time.